Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hot hairstyle ideas. Here we see this beautiful cascading bob, and then we see this gorgeous choppy style pixie. This is a great option if you are looking to add a bit of volume to your hair in the form of a pixie cut. And then we see this beautiful French girl style bob. This is one of the most popular bob styles that we are seeing. The French girl bob usually features bangs in the front and a little bit of texture throughout the strands. Next up, we have this beautiful hair color transformation. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair trend. Absolutely beautiful dimensional color that the stylist did with that one. And then we see the stylist taking this client from long hair to a beautiful bob haircut. Beautiful dramatic angle bob with this particular cut. Long bangs in the front and shorter in the back. And then we see another long to short hair transformation, and she also decided to switch things up with a bob. So do you like this bob worn straight or with a little bit of texture with the waves? Leave the comments in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. So here we have someone else going from long to short, and they're also going to be getting a bob haircut. Wow, so the stylist ended up taking things even shorter with a pixie. Beautiful bangs with this one, gorgeous feathered sides. Very stylish and chic pixie cuts. So then we have someone also going from long to short hair. And she also ended up getting this beautiful textured bob. So if you are like me and you are looking for even more hair inspiration, then check this video out.